and welcome back to Marley's Beauty. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I save time and energy when I straighten my hair. So what I do is I come out the shower, I put my hair into 2 braids, I go to sleep, and when I wake up in the morning, I get 2 good things out of it. 1, my hair is not as curly, so I'm saving time and energy. And 2, it actually is air dry. So when it's air dry, it's better for me because I don't have to blow dry it, which means I'm using less heat on my hair and I'm damaging my hair less. So yeah, it's very easy. I just come out the shower, I put into 2 braids, I go to sleep, I wake up in the morning, and it's much easier for me to straighten my hair. Now my hair is not super curly, like you pull the curl and like bounces back, but it is fairly curly. So any of your females out there that have curly hair, I promise you just use this technique and it'll save you what? Time and energy. So if you want to see how I did that, all you have to do is what? Keep on watching. Alright, so I literally just got out the shower. So this is how my hair looks when I come out the shower. It's rather curly and wet. Obviously, I just came out the shower, so it's wet. But it's curly. Like, look. See? It's pretty curly. So I didn't even detangle it or anything. And I'm going to show you everything I use. So I use my argan oil. And I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So whatever leave-in conditioner you guys like. And I just put a little bit. And then I put that towards the bottom of my hair because I'm going to be straightening my hair and I don't want to put anything in the roots because I don't want it to weigh down. And then I'm just going to spray this oil all over my head. Wow, my hands are like slippery. So, spray that all over. Alright, then you're gonna comb and you're gonna do a part, could be either down the middle or to the side, but I usually straighten my hair to the side, so I'm gonna do my part down the side just to like basically prep it for when I straighten my hair. So I'm gonna detangle my hair. So now that my hair is all detangled, all right, so now that my hair has no knots in it, I'm going to take a small portion of hair, like that, twist it, and grab another portion, and just keep adding it. So keep adding hair, and twist, and add, and twist, and add, twist, and add. Then when you get to your neck or the back area, you make it into 3 and then you just braid it as if you're doing a regular braid. Like so. And then we're just gonna secure it with an elastic. Like that. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So that's it. That's all I do. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up. My hair is not gonna be as curly. I'll show you how it looks when I wake up in the morning. It helps because 1, it makes it air dry, so I don't have to wake up and blow dry it, which is putting more heat before I iron it. And 2, it's not as curly, so it makes me have an easier time when I straighten my hair. So yeah, that's it. That's all I do. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna show you how it looks in the morning. Good morning. So I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks when it comes out. So it's actually dry, so that's good. We don't have to worry about blow drying it, which means less heat for the hair. Now, when you take out your braids, it's nice because now your hair is less curly. So remember when I showed you guys when my hair was wet, this was like super curly, but now look, now it's like wavy and easier to straighten, so you get less time to straighten your hair. Now, if you haven't already watched my video on how I straighten my hair, I have it posted somewhere of how I straighten my hair. So I definitely make sure that there's no knots in my hair, and then I go ahead and straighten my hair. So I'm actually going to do that right now. I'm going to go straighten my hair, and yeah, that's it. That's all I do. So I go to sleep and I wake up and my hair is like this. If you guys like this video and you learned something new, and you actually tried it and you do have curly hair and you put in the 2 braids and you woke up and it saved you what? Time and energy. All you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to Marley's Beauty, please subscribe to Marley's Beauty. Now, Marley Beauty is out. But before I go, if you want to learn how to straighten your hair like me, all you have to do is watch my other video of, I think it's titled like curly to straight hair. Just watch that and you'll learn how to straighten your hair. Bye guys!